Well guys, here's another video of Jeep steering column, and it's a little wiggly, and I'm sure that it's the 4 bolts in the back of the column that always come loose on these older Jeeps. So I'm working on a 1990, the last year of AMC Jeep, and I'm putting her up for sale. But just thought I'd fix the steering column so that whoever came to buy it, wouldn't have any issues. So I'll show you what we're working with here. We'll go from there. Well, I got the steering wheel off already, and as you can tell, I've got a floppy steering wheel here, and I'm sure that the 4 bolts in the back there is loose, or the retainers for the bolts is falling off. So what I'm going to work on today is digging them out, bolting everything back up, and trying to get the steering wheel to tighten up. Well, here's the tools I got. I got the steering wheel and lock plate remover kit right there. I just rented it from Napa. Like $93 to rent that. But there's the steering wheel and everything. So what we're gonna do, I got the retainer off. You can see it right here. I got that pulled back, so all I gotta do now is loosen this here up and then pull this out, and I'll see what we have there. Well, I got that first part off there. So now we're gonna take this screw out. We're gonna have to take this right here off. That holds this piece here in. We have another screw there, and we have another one right there. So we're gonna take these off to pull this out. Because once we get in there, then I believe the blinker switch is gonna go. I have to take that off, I believe. Ignition comes out, so we can slide this up and hopefully get to the bolts in the back. So let's work on that. Well guys, what I'm doing here, in order to take this right here off or pull it back, you're gonna have to drop your kick panel here and try to push your wires up and even disconnect one of them. But I got that done. And you can see there's one in there. Right here, I had to disconnect that. So I'm gonna put that back together as soon as I get done here. But I got, there's one bolt in there. And then the other one's right there. There's both of them on the bottom. What I did was tighten them up. The bracket was still on the back, so I got lucky. It didn't fall off. So it looks like now the steering wheel is nice and tight. No more wiggly. So I'm going to take and put all this back together and see if we have any play. Well, I got her all back together. Steering wheel's all nice and tight. No more wobbly. I got lucky. The retainers on the back of the column for them 4 nuts hadn't fallen off, so all I did was tighten them up and put everything back together, and looks like we're all ready to roll. But this car only has 155,000 miles. 1990. It's the last year for AMC Jeep, and she's in really good shape. It's a collector's item. It's pretty clean. I'm still doing some work on it. All I did was carry my family around and everything. So I'm gonna clean the carpets real good. As you can tell, the seats are in good shape. It's a non-smoking vehicle. It needs a windshield. Yep, needs a windshield. The interior is pretty clean. I'm gonna clean it all up. Some more. But I'm asking $7,000 if anybody's interested. And if you've liked this particular video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them down in the section below. Until next time, peace out, guys. God bless.